Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to ln of x plus 1. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. And we got about dx over x plus 1. dv, we do the integration of x squared dx. So if I do this integration, we have v equals to x to the power of 3 over 3. Next, we have u multiplied by v. That means this one multiplied by this one. Minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So we will have about 1 over 3. And we have the integration x to the power of 3 over x plus 1 dx. Next, I will add number 1 in here. Later that, we need to minus about number 1. About this one, that is about identity. So I can put into x plus 1 x squared minus x plus 1. So this one divided by this one. So you got about this one. Now we have the final answer. The integration of x squared, we have x to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of x, we have x squared over 2. The integration of number 1, we have x. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of x plus 1. And then we put about c. And we put the absolute value in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.